Hello everyone, I am Miss Priyanka Latte working as lecturer at Mula Education Society's Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sone. In this presentation, I am going to discuss topic of introductions to industry. We will discuss content of presentation, definition of industry and consumer goods, classification of industry. The industry may be divided into four distinct types. First, classification on the basis of types of goods produced. Second, classification based on size and investment. Third, classification based on the capital employed. And fourth, official classification of industries. We will discuss definitions of industry. Industry is a part of business activity which is related to activities like production, repacking, extraction, fabrication, manufacturing, processing, etc. Second definition, consumer goods. The products of an industry may either be used by actual consumers or those may also be utilized by another industrial house as raw material for their own production. The goods are called consumer goods if used by final consumers, and producer goods or capital goods means if used in production of other goods. For examples of consumer goods is edible oils, cloth, jam, television, radio, scooters, refrigerators, etc. For examples of producer goods is machine tools and machinery used for manufacturing other products. The producer goods is also called as capital goods. Next point, types of industry. The industry may be divided into four distinct types on the basis of first, types of goods produced, second, size and amount of investment, third, capital employed, and fourth, official classification of industries. We will discuss one by one. Let us see first types of goods produced. Types of goods produced classified into four types. First, extractive industry. Second, genetic industry. Third, construction industries. And fourth, manufacturing industries. The extractive industries and genetic industries comes under in category of primary industry, and construction industries and manufacturing industries comes under in category of secondary industry. Manufacturing industries again divided into four distinct types. First, analytical industry. Second, synthetic industry. Third, processing industry. And fourth, assembly line industries. We will discuss one by one. Let us see first extractive industry. The extractive industries are engaged in activities whereby the wealth is obtained from soil, air or water or obtained from beneath the surface of the earth by various extractive processes. The product of extractive industries are meant for producing finished goods. Products of extractive industries are meant for producing finished goods by another manufacturing industries. For examples of extractive industry, fishing, mining, hunting, agriculture, etc. Second, genetic industry. These industries engage in producing and multiplying certain species of plants and animals for purpose of earning profit from their sale. For example, breeding farm, poultry farms, kennels and nurseries. Third, construction industries. These industries involved in the construction of building, roads, dams, bridges, canals, etc. The products made by these industries are not meant for sale in the market but they are excreted, bulked, or fabricated at a fixed site. Fourth, manufacturing industries. These industries are engaged in the conversion of raw materials or semi-finished products into finished products. For example, pharmaceutical industry is a manufacturing industry because it converts basic drugs into various pharmaceutical formulations. Manufacturing industries classified into four types. First, analytical industry. Second, synthetic industry. Third, processing industry. And fourth, assembly line industries. In that first, analytical industries, these industries are engaged in manufacturing of products by analyzing and separating different elements from the same material. For example, fractional distillation of crude oil in oil refinery industries. Second, synthetic industries. In these industries, various ingredients are put together and combined in the manufacturing process so as to manufacture a new product. For example, benzoic acid was used to be prepared from benzoin by heating the resin in iron vessel. The benzoic acid sublimes, which is collected and then purified by recrystallization. However, nowadays it is prepared by oxidizing benzyl alcohol or benzaldehyde or hydrolyzing phenyl cyanide. An industry manufacturing benzoic acid by oxidation of benzyl alcohol is known as synthetic industry. Third, processing industry. In these industries, the raw material is processed through different stages of production resulting in the final product. For example, drug and pharmaceutical industries, textile industry and paper industry, etc. Fourth, assembly line industries. In these industries, different instruments or components, parts already manufactured are assembled to make some useful product. For example, television, computers, cars, scooters, X-ray machines, ECG machines, etc. Second types, size and amount of investment. Size and amount of investment depending upon two categories. First, light industries and second, heavy industry. We will discuss first light industry. These industries involve a small capital investment and have a short duration production cycle. This may be because of the less costly machinery required for the manufacture of its products or because of the use of less sophisticated process of production. For example, industries involved in the production of collapsible tubes, closures, rubber caps, tin containers, etc. Second, heavy industries. Those industries which need a big capital investment and also involve a longer production cycle are covered under heavy industries. For example, iron and steel industry, aeronautics, ship buildings, automobiles, etc. Third, capital employed. Industries are classified as large scale and small scale according to the capital employed, number of workers employed, machinery and tools used, and the value of their product. Generally, an industry is said to be a small scale industry if the capital involvement is not more than rupees 10 lakhs in plant and machinery, and large scale industry if the capital involved more than rupees 10 lakhs in plant and machinery. Fourth, official classification of industries. For the purpose of licensing, the government has made a standard classification of industries as given under the first schedule to the Industries Development and Regulations Act 1951. The industries are classified according to the types of products produced by them. For example, drug and pharmaceuticals, medical and surgical appliances, soap, cosmetic, and toilet preparations. Thank you.